Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. This is completely spontaneous, but I just have to record this because look what just arrived in the mail today. This is the one and only copy, or at least the first copy, of my Jack McPaidin series set, books 1 through 3, that I've had published in print. And I had it published through lulu.com because for some reason Amazon didn't want to publish this book. It's over 700 pages. So this is like my biggest compilation actual physical book. So I wanted to share it right now while I'm actually opening it. I haven't even looked at this yet. This is my first actual physical copy of my box set, books 1 through 3 all in one volume. So let's go ahead. I'm going to go ahead and open this right now. It wasn't supposed to arrive until the 14th, so it's arriving early. So I'm super excited to see what this looks like because I've got my other books. You know, I have like several other books up here. Like, I'll turn this, see, like I've got my other books up there, and I've had several published, like obviously, that I have copies of in print, but this is the first like box set, like massive book of all my books that I've had published. So I'm pretty excited about this. I hope it's as awesome as I'm anticipating. Oh my gosh, you guys, I'm so excited. I can't even tell you. This is a volume. Look at this. Look at this. Look at how big this baby is. Look at that. Okay, look, check it out. Let's see here. So I was most kind of concerned about the spine because I didn't necessarily like the way that the text layout was for the spine, but it actually, let me see here. I gotta put my glasses and check it out. I'm super excited. I'm actually more excited about this than like anything I've done with my books for a long time. Let's check this out. Jack McPaidin series box set number 1, books 1 through 3, Tracy, Partridge-Johnson. I wasn't super excited about this layout of my name, but they didn't give me a lot of options for like the layout. So the way, I don't know if you can see it properly there, but anyway, it works. And then it's got the whole description on the back side, and then the front. What is this sticking out? Oh, it's my receipt. So when you look at that, look at that. This is a massive volume. It's my most significant print publication thus far. So like, check this out. Like I am so excited. So it starts with, you know, praise for the Golden Telescope with all these really wonderful reviews that I've gotten for the Golden Telescope over the years. When I got to the end, it was a great thought. This makes me sad, guys, because this first review is from a really sweet friend from England that I've never met in person, but she was such a fan of my work, Sandra Hess. She just died like within the last month. I'm so sad. I'm so sad. But anyway, what she says is, when I got to the end, it was a great thought. Wow, Tracy, I started reading at noon today. It's 8 p.m. I haven't moved. It has kept me wanting more at every turn of the page. When I got to the end, it was a great thought. My partner ran in thinking something was wrong, and I laughed when I told him it was the end of the book. I loved it. Well done. XXX for hugs. Sandra Hess. I'm so sad that she's gone. I'm so sad. So anyway, I included like a few pages here of like reviews and stuff at the front, and then it just jumps in. Jack McPaidin series box set number 1, books 1 through 3, The Golden Telescope, The Stolen Heir, which those of you who have read the series know that book 2 was originally titled The Kidnapping King, but kidnapping didn't like really do so great in like the algorithm and stuff on Amazon and search results and everything, you know, because political correctness and everything. So I changed it to The Stolen Heir, and I'm in the middle of, I just republished book 2 as The Stolen Heir, with new covers and everything. So, and then The Magical Legacy, which is book 3. So this is the first 3 books in the series in their entirety, and it's awesome. I'm actually super excited. So, you know, like, check it out. Super happy. Anyway, look at that. It's huge. It's huge. It's a huge volume. Anyhow, I'm excited. It took me a while to get this from Lulu. I was surprised because it takes longer, significantly longer to publish and receive a physical book from lulu.com, their publishing company. Kind of competition with Amazon, but I know Amazon is huge. It dwarfs Lulu. But anyway, but at least they published it for me. So here it is. Woo! Super exciting. If y'all want to go and like buy this, you can buy the actual physical book on lulu.com in their marketplace, and I should provide a link, but anyhow, you can get the ebook on Amazon, but if you want the actual physical book, I'm in love. Anyway, it's only available on lulu.com. Anyway, had to share. Thanks so much.